skin is known as the integumentary system. It includes our skin, our hair, and our nails. And within our skin, we have oil glands, known as the sebaceous glands, and sweat glands. The main function of the skin, to be honest, is more like the immune system. It helps protect our body by providing a layer between us and the outside world. But it also helps regulate things like salt balance and eliminates waste, and really controls our body temperature. So it really helps maintain homeostasis. So the skin has multiple functions. Skin has two main layers and then a bottom layer, which is mainly fat. So we can think of it as 3 layers. But the skin itself has the epidermis and then the dermis. Epi means like above, so it's the top layer. If you've ever been to a dermatologist, derm means skin. So the outermost layer, the epidermis, is this top part. And it contains pores, which are openings. We have pores that hair comes out of, and we have pores that sweat comes out of. So if you look at the epidermis, it's mainly dead skin cells. And if you remember from the video, we're constantly regenerating our epidermis, right? Every couple of weeks, we're getting like a new top layer of skin. Helps protect us from the constant wear and tear our skin has to deal with. Our skin produces protective proteins. Keratin is the protein that's produced by keratinocytes that gives us that tough thickness of our skin. If you've ever had a callus from like working out, or if you have rings, that thickness of your skin is produced by keratin. This is also the stuff that your hair is made up of and your nails are made up of. This is a thick protein. The other protection is from melanin, right? If you ever heard of melanoma, skin cancer, it's because these sites, right, these cells right here that produce the dark pigment that gives your skin its tan color, these absorb UV radiation so that the DNA in all the other cells don't get microwaved from that energy. So the more melanin we have in our skin, right, the darker our skin becomes, and that's that tanning effect. Some people are born with more melanocytes within their skin as others because of their genetics, and that's why you have the different range of skin color. The bottom layer, or the middle layer, I guess, but the main layer of our skin is called the dermis. And this is where all the nerves, this is where our hair follicles are, this is where our sweat glands are, this is where most of our blood vessels are. This is the main part of our skin, right? The dermis. It's the thickest part. Our dermis is made up of elastic fibers, which gives our skin its stretchy quality, and collagen fibers, which gives our skin a lot of its firmness. We can actually get this stuff injected in our lips, right? So that it gives that firmness, because collagen and elastin starts to break down when we get older, and that's what forms wrinkles. This protein, we produce less and less of it over time. So our skin is not as swollen and firm, and it doesn't stretch out and become tight and smooth. Sweat glands are right here, okay? A sweat gland is separate from a hair follicle. Whereas when, in this case, when it secretes its water, it comes out of